Hi there and welcome to Distilling, where today we're going to look at our Sightglass spanner. Now the Sightglass spanner, a tool that any commercial distiller needs and must have, is there specifically to adjust the sight glasses on a fractionating reflux column still or multi-column still or even a hybrid still. Now if you've ever done training with us or you've been to our shop or you've got experience with a fractionating reflux column still or any of the other stills I've mentioned, you know that on a still, on a column, you have these sight glass units on the different levels. Obviously, this is a bigger version of it, but the same principle applies. So in each T section of the still that you are using, you've got your bubble plates, obviously, and then you've got your sight glasses. Now, without going into too much detail about why the sight glasses is there and so forth, it is important to see what's going on inside of a T section to make sure you don't flood a level. If you need more information about that, I suggest you do one of our training courses. But what I want to focus on now is the fact that during routine maintenance and cleaning and so forth, it is sometimes necessary to remove this to get the glass out of there so that you can replenish the seal, because over time the seal will perish, the seal in the inside that's between the T section and the glass itself. You need to replace that seal from time to time. And if something went wrong during your run, let's say you had solids inside that burnt, then you actually sometimes see the smoke impacting on the glass on the inside, or if it's a sight glass lower down in your column and you had foaming, that foaming can stain the inside of the sight glass. So if this is an assembled column, especially if you're looking at a multi-column where it's not modular, you can't take it apart to get in there and clean it out, then you're going to need to remove this glass section and remove this section over here. Now, it is not, obviously this one hasn't been tightened. I can turn this with my hand, but if it's tight, which it has to be when your system is running, otherwise it's going to leak, then you need a tool to tighten it and then obviously for maintenance to loosen it. And that is where the sight glass spanner comes in. So all that happens, that hook goes in there, and then I can apply torsion and open and close. The nice thing is you don't need different sizes because it's adjustable. Even if I'm using a big one like this, it still works. So the Sightglass spanner, very important little tool for any craft distiller or anybody that's using a fractionating reflux column still, either for still maintenance or for still cleaning.